Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel EduLane. Today we are dealing with the subject Advanced Educational Psychology, Learning and Development. In that we are going to discuss the topic Developmental Task. The concept of developmental task. The term developmental task was introduced by Robert J. Havighurst in 1950s. The tasks that help the individual for the successful adjustment in the society are known as developmental tasks. The developmental tasks which help the individual to adjust with the society for their better life. According to Havighurst, a developmental task is a task which arises at or about a certain period in the life of the individual, successful achievement of which lead to his happiness and to success with later tasks, while failure leads to unhappiness and difficulty with later tasks. The main assertion of the Havighurst developmental task is that development is continuous throughout a person's entire lifespan, occurring in stages. A person moves from one stage to the next by means of successful solution of problems or performance of certain developmental tasks. When people successfully accomplish the developmental task at a stage, they feel pride and satisfaction. They also earn the approval of their community or society. While failure may result in unhappiness in the individual, disapproval by the society, and difficulty with later tasks. Next, characteristics of developmental tasks. Developmental tasks are based on the aspirations and needs of the society. Every society or culture has certain norms. Every society expects its members to follow these norms. These norms are in terms of certain essential skills. Mastery of these skills leads to happiness and failure leads to unhappiness. Some tasks are different in different societies. For example, task of getting occupation in some culture at very young stage. The tasks in different age levels depend upon the person and the society he lives in. Developmental tasks mainly based on needs of the individual in a society. Every society has its own norms. Havighurst has identified 6 major age periods in developmental tasks. First one, infancy and early childhood, 0 to 5 years. Second one, middle childhood, 6 to 12 years. Third one, adolescence, 13 to 18 years. Early adulthood, 19 to 29 years. Fifth one, middle age, 30 to 16 years. Last one, later maturity, 61 years and above. Developmental tasks at various stages of growth and development. First one, developmental task of infancy and early childhood. This stage, we can see some developmental tasks among the children, which include preschool age. In that, first one, learning to walk, learning to take solid food, learning to talk, learning to control the elimination of body waste, learning to sex difference and sexual modesty, forming concept and learning language to describe social and physical health, getting ready to read, learning to establish emotional relationship between brother, sister and others, learning to distinguish between right, wrong and developing conscience. Second one, developmental task of later childhood. It includes primary school age. Learning physical skills necessary for ordinary games, building wholesome attitude towards oneself as growing organism, learning to get along with age mates, beginning to develop appropriate masculine or feminine social roles, developing fundamental skills in reading, writing, calculating, developing concepts necessary for everyday living, developing concerns and sense of morality and scale of values, developing attitude towards social groups and institutions, achieving personal independence. Third one, developmental task of adolescence. It includes secondary school age, achieving new and more mature relation with age mates of both sex, achieving masculine or feminine social roles, accepting one's physique and using one's body effectively, desiring, accepting and achieving socially responsible behavior, achieving emotional independence from elders, selecting and preparing of occupation, preparing for marriage and family life, developing for competency, acquiring a set of values and ethical system as to guide behavior. Fourth one, developmental task of early adulthood, selecting mate, learning to live with marriage partner, starting family, rearing children, managing home, getting started in an occupation, taking civic responsibility, finding a congenial social groups. Fifth one, developmental task of middle age, achieving adult civic and social responsibility, establishing and maintaining economic standard of living, assisting teenage children to become responsible and happy adult, developing adult time activities, relating oneself to one's spouse as a person, accepting and adjusting to the physiological changes in the middle age, adjusting aging parents. The last one, developmental task of later maturity, adjusting to decrease physical strength and health, adjusting to retirement and reduced income, adjusting death of spouse, adjusting and relation with one's age group, meeting social and civic obligation, establishing satisfactory physical living arrangement. Till now, we are discussed developmental tasks in various stages of life, which included first one, infancy and early childhood, second one, middle childhood, third one, adolescence, fourth one, early adulthood, fifth one, middle age, last one, later maturity. First one, infancy and early childhood. In this stage, mainly we are starting to learn walking, talking, ready to read, express emotional feelings. Second one, later childhood. In this stage, individuals who are learning physical, cognitive skills such as reading, writing, calculating, problem solving, etc. Third one, adolescence. In this stage, individuals selecting an appropriate occupation and earn self-independence, also emotional stability, and preparing for marriage and family life. Fourth one, early childhood, in which selecting mate, starting family, rearing children. Fifth one, middle age. In this stage, individuals who are achieving economic standard of living and accepting the physiological changes in life. Last one, later maturity. This is the last stage of Havikas classification. In this stage, individuals who are adjusting physical and physiological changes such as increasing health requirement, reduced income and death of spouse. These are the major classification of Havikas developmental theory. Educational implication of developmental task. How a teacher can implicate the developmental task among the children. The teacher must have knowledge to deal infants and grown-up children, and they must adopt different method of treatment of the students in various classes. Students should not be taught with the same method in the same atmosphere, must adopt modern and effective method of instructions. Teachers should adopt the modern and effective method of instruction. Teachers should be careful in providing learning opportunities and motivation. Emotional development is useful for the balanced personality. Teacher can encourage is to help the students to express their emotion in constructive ways. Students should be trained to express their emotion to others in whom they have full confidence. That teacher must develop clear recognition of the desirability of achieving free and more constructive expression of emotion, which will result in progress towards desired goal. Social and cultural activity help the social development. School provide structured education and promote child mental and psychological growth. Child will also learn other important life skills such as teamwork, unity, responsibility. Teachers should educate the students and inform the students about various social festivals and celebrations. Social cultural activities in social development. Teacher also help to the social development of the students. Whether the development of the students in taking place on the right path or not can be known through the principles. Teachers should be provide moral educations about the students and to prepare students be good parents and citizens in the society. Development of problem solving attitude. The teacher may organize picnic, excursion, educational tour of his students to provide them opportunity to each others and close them. They will solve many problems of adolescence which created by lack of communication among the members of the school. The teacher should deal the problem of students sympathetically. He should maintain rapport with the students. They have feeling of hero worship at this stage. The teacher should try to occupy this place for the students. And the teachers provide many training programs for the students. Teachers play the very important role in the developmental task. Thanks for watching.